Let's make a Detroit style cheesesteak and some Cajun fries. To start off this operation, we're going to cut an onion in small cubes, and also we're going to cut up these peppers as well. And I'm using only a little bit, but you can use as much as you want. Rough chop on onions and the same thing as the peppers. So we have the rough chopped onions and peppers, and now we're going to move on to the Cajun fries. So let's make the homemade Cajun fries. We're going to make our own homemade one since we don't have it. So let's start off with some paprika. We're going to add some garlic salt. Now if you have the garlic powder separate, you can use that as well as the salt. We're going to use garlic salt. We're going to also add some basil leaves. We're going to then add some oregano leaves. Next, we're going to add some chili flakes. Chili flakes. Next, some black pepper. And some olive oil. Now we're going to mix it and then cook in the air fryer. For this operation, we're going to actually use some ground beef. Now you can also use ribeye or sirloin or any of this type of steak, but for this we have this at home, so we're going to use it. So when the pan gets hot, we're going to add some olive oil and then we're going to add the beef. Now we're going to let the ground beef cook, and then we're going to add the seasoning, and then we're going to also add the peppers. Add some garlic salt to this action. We're going to add some paprika as well. And also, if you have separate garlic and salt, that's fine as well. Some black pepper and some chili powder. And I'm gonna use just a little bit more salt just for me because I don't want to have too much garlic on it. And that's it. Now we're gonna also add the peppers and onions, and we're gonna put it through and cook it, and then we'll come back for the other parts and assemble the sandwich. Also have these cut up tomatoes and lettuce. Start off the sandwich with putting some cheese on the bread, and then we're gonna also toast it. So we're gonna add the ground beef to the sandwich now. Now we're gonna add the mayo as a line, and then we're gonna smush the sandwich together so we can get all of it. Now we're gonna add the lettuce and tomatoes to the sandwich, and as well as a couple jalapenos. And that's the sandwich. So this is the final project, the Cajun fries with the Detroit style cheesesteak.